today we're on our way to flight station in Saitama. This is step number 1 to skydiving. So that's gonna be what this vlog is gonna be about. It's gonna be myself, my wife, my daughter. We're gonna see what this experience is like, and hopefully it inspires them to skydive with me as well. But we'll see what will happen. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let's go.
Welcome to flight station.
Konnichiwa. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm writing my name and all that good stuff. And it seems like I might also be able to sign up for a future like skydive. So this is step number 1, as I said before, in overcoming that fear. What's your weight?
Oh, so you passed the weight limit? Okay, I'm so sorry.
I'm too heavy. It's 90 kilograms. I'm over 100 kilograms, so that's not gonna work. If you are above 90 kilograms, which I am, it means we can only fly within the first floor. If you're below 90, you can go up to the second floor, which is more fun, I guess, because it's higher. So close. The skydive is also restricted to 90 kilos or less. I'm a big guy, right? So I don't know, man. The dream of skydiving in Japan might be coming to an end. I don't know. Let's see. So just now we paid 14,100, which is 2 adults and 1 child for 1 flight each, but no taxi, just the regular first floor flight. So she's super fascinated by this thing. The good thing is she's not scared, so that's exciting. So it does look holographic, but it's a fan. I'm not sure what the technology is behind it or the science. Pretty cool. Good to go? It feels a little bit too snug. So if you're a bigger person, you may have a hard time doing this or skydiving in Japan. Next stop, the briefing video.
暴れたりせずにもリラックスしてそのままの姿勢お願いします。
After they go, I'll go. I guess this is the closest you're gonna get to like the feeling of skydiving without the terror. It seemed like something happened just now. So now it's Tiffany's turn. She wasn't sure that she was going to go in by herself, so she's a little bit nervous now, but let's see what happens. There she is. She still has like 27 seconds to go. Also, it seems like my wife is taking the remainder of her time.
like well, the goggles for one, it's like the air. I couldn't see at one point.
Okay.
It was hard to
How was
see.
it, Tiffany? Were you scared?
No, I just was there for just a little.
What happened? What happened?
Fine.
You're fine.
But she didn't want to go back in. We had 30 more seconds.
Was she crying or something?
No, but she was trying to do. You were doing the down. Was it because the wind was too strong?
Just a little bit, but I was only there for a little bit anyway.
Did you like it? Okay.
Would you do it again? Huh?
I'm not so sure yet, but maybe. I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
Alright, so Jay, look, what were you not expecting?
Just the strength of the speed going up my nose. I think those expensive like helmets is better because your whole face is covered. Because like literally,
What's
it
the
feels.
difference with the helmets? We have choices or something?
No. Like those people buy those helmets.
Oh, okay.
Right? So like I guess people who come here often buy the helmet. So you have full coverage.
So it was the wind that you were.
The wind is
so
just
what about your body? Like, how does it feel against it?
Yeah. I mean, it's just like wind. You're floating, but it's strong, right?
Okay.
Do not open your mouth, otherwise your mouth is just gonna flail out.
Alright, so it's my turn to go. How long was it? Like a minute?
About 30 seconds.
No, 30 seconds is left. It's about 1 minute per flight.
Hopefully, I'm doing this right.
Focus. Can he even see? Because I couldn't see anything. Oh no! What happened? What happened? Keep your legs straight. He's flailing. Why are you flailing? Stop flailing, man. Assume the position. Stop it. Don't bend your legs. What are you doing, guys? I know. Yeah, you are flailing. That's what we call flailing. Low.
Okay. So it's time for the debrief. It was pretty cool, right? It seems like a lot depends on your legs because it's like a little like downward tilting of my toes sent me flying, and you saw me on my back. And you saw me on my back trying to like trying to get back up.
You were flailing.
It just shows that the positioning of your feet or your legs is extremely important. So once I regained my balance and stuff, it was fine, right? But any little movement, and that's what I've discovered in my research about skydiving, like any little movement of like your arms or your legs will cause you to like start flailing and flying around and all that, right? It's fun, it's cool, like I would do it again. Okay, so I got my graduation paper, Ranzo. First step to skydiving completed. Those guys are the instructors, right? So when you come here, these are the guys that take you inside. These are the professionals, okay? The professionals. Ranzo, amateur. These guys, professionals. Got it? Okay. Okay, so would we recommend you guys come in here and pretend to be this guy? Definitely. Yeah, I think we'll be back. And I have to work on the skydiving unless I send my wife to do it, because she's like under 90 kilograms. I'm over it. So like I'm gonna have to lose some weight in order to do the skydive. So I don't know how soon that's gonna be, but we'll try. I'll try. Bye. See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
So that's it for Fly Station, y'all. In Saitama, depending on where you are, it might be a long drive for y'all. 3+ hours maybe. But nonetheless, it was good. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where we're gonna leave you guys until next time. Remember to like the video if you liked it and subscribe for more videos on, the Black experience in Japan. Bye for now.
I was worried that she was gonna flail. Your food on your face.
So do you think you can skydive now, Jay?
I didn't think I couldn't before.